Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best baby ink pad is probably one of the most heartwarming ways to capture those precious early moments. Today, we're diving into the world of baby-safe ink pads, perfect for creating adorable handprints, footprints, and more. Join me as we explore the safest options, ensuring your little one's delicate skin is protected while you create lasting memories. Number 5. Baby's Touch Black Ink Pads. This ink pad is baby-safe, non-toxic, and acid-free. It's designed to create lasting memories of your little one's hands and feet. The ink pad is reusable, making it a great value. Cleanup is easy, so you can focus on enjoying the moment. You don't need any special paper to use this ink pad. It works with regular paper, making it super convenient. Once the print dries, it's smudge-proof, ensuring your keepsakes last. It's perfect for capturing those tiny details. Besides black, other colors are available to match your style. Choose the perfect color to create beautiful prints. What we like? This ink pad is reusable, allowing multiple prints without re-inking. It also offers easy cleanup, saving you time and effort. And the prints are smudge-proof once dry, ensuring your memories last. If you are looking for a simple and convenient option for capturing your baby's prints, this is a great choice. What people say. The ink is very easy to clean off of the baby's hands and feet. The ink pad is very easy to use and creates a clear print. The ink is non-toxic and safe for babies. Number 4. Oiuros Baby Handprint and Footprint Ink Pad, Black. This ink pad helps you create special memories. It allows you to cherish your baby's handprints and footprints for a lifetime. The ink is non-toxic and acid-free, ensuring it's safe for your baby's sensitive skin. It's also easy to clean, simply wash it off with soap and water or a wet wipe. This kit is incredibly easy to use. Just gently press the ink pad onto your baby's hands or feet, then onto the paper. You can do it as many times as you need. Give a gift that brings joy and happiness. This newborn gift helps parents remember your thoughtfulness every time they see it. The sponge pad is 2.95 inches long and 1.77 inches wide, and the ink pad is 3.5 inches long and 2.25 inches wide. You can move the ink pad around until the baby's hand or foot is fully inked. What we like? This ink pad guarantees 100% baby safety with non-toxic and acid-free ink. It's also incredibly easy to clean, using just water and soap. It helps you create special memories to cherish forever. If you are looking for a safe and easy-to-use option for creating lasting memories, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The ink is very easy to clean off. The ink pads are a great size for baby's hands and feet. The inkless touch design is great and mess-free. Number 3. Ink Pad 5x4 Foot for Baby Footprint Handprint, Black. This ink pad is made with eco-friendly sponge and non-toxic ink, ensuring your baby's safety. It's also water-soluble, making cleanup a breeze. The 5-foot x 4 size is perfect for capturing your baby's hand or footprint. The reusable ink pad allows you to create lasting memories. This versatile ink pad isn't just for babies, it's great for pet paw prints too. You can also use it for finger painting fun. The ink is designed to resist fading, preserving those precious handprints and footprints for years to come. It's a keepsake to cherish forever. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month free replacement policy. Contact us anytime with any questions. What we like? This ink pad features a large 5x4 inch size, perfect for capturing your baby's hand or footprint. The ink is non-toxic and easy to clean. The prints are designed to last, helping you create special memories. If you have a baby with larger hands or feet, or you want to capture more details, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to use, easy to clean functions, good quality color. It worked great, much better than those sheets that don't leave ink. I did my daughter prints on the Christmas cards and was amazing, dried quick, didn't stain my baby's foot, and we loved it. It's a yes 100%. Number 2. Outus Baby Handprint Paw Print Ink Pad. Introducing the Outus Ink Pad, perfect for capturing your baby's tiny handprints and footprints. This non-toxic ink pad makes it easy to create lasting memories of your little one. The set includes 6 vibrant colors: red, blue, black, pink, yellow, and green. They allow you to create colorful and charming works of art. Made from non-toxic materials, the ink is safe for your baby's delicate skin. It's also washable and easy to clean up, providing a mess-free experience. The stackable design saves space and makes it easy to carry around. You can record the important moments anytime, anywhere. These ink pads are suitable for newborns, babies, and even pets. They're great gifts for families and friends, helping to recall wonderful memories. The ink pad is the perfect size for babies' feet and hands. If you can't completely cover the soles of your baby's feet at one time, just move the ink pad until the baby's feet have been inked. What we like. This ink pad comes in 6 vibrant colors, allowing for creative and colorful prints. It's washable and reusable, making it convenient for multiple uses. The stackable design saves space and makes it easy to carry around. If you like to add a splash of color to your baby's prints, or want to create fun and unique artwork, you should consider this. What people say. You can put it on light or push a few more times for more coverage. Loved how easy and clean these were to work with. Love this clean option to get prints. 0 ink on the baby. The ink came off her skin really easy too. Number 1. Luna Bean Baby Footprint Kit. Don't let those precious moments fade away. This kit from Luna Bean helps you preserve those tiny hands and feet. It's a timeless keepsake to cherish as your little one grows. No mess, no stress with the CleanTouch ink pad. It's 100% baby safe and non-toxic. Your baby's skin never even touches the ink, making it easy to capture those adorable prints. The kit comes with everything you need. It includes 2 CleanTouch ink pads, 2 keepsake frames, magnets, imprint cards, a stencil, and a gift box. It's all there to create a beautiful memory. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is perfect for baby showers, holidays, or birthdays. It's a wonderful way for new parents to celebrate and remember those special moments. This kit allows you to create a lasting memory. It's a perfect way to hold on to those tiny moments. You'll be able to look back and remember just how small they once were. What we like. This kit features a mess-free, CleanTouch ink pad, ensuring your baby's skin never touches the ink. It includes keepsake frames and other accessories, making it a complete package. It also makes a great gift for baby showers. If you are looking for a thoughtful and complete gift for new parents, or want a mess-free experience, you should consider this. What people say. Even though there's a baby on the photo, I use it for my dog and it works the same. Haha, good thing they got 4 because I messed up on my first try. So easy to use, however you must let ink dry cause it does smear. This is my second time buying this product. It's safe for children to use and mess-free. The result is excellent. The ink can use 2 times-ish. The second time is quite buried though. It comes with a pinks and blue paper frames and magnets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.